Hello friends, we are starting on our YouTube channel FR and SFM MCQs. So we'll be recording these MCQs in the class, the live class which is going on, and I will also give those MCQs on the YouTube channel AS Foundation. So lot of MCQs will be covered right now. You can practice those MCQs. You'll get an idea what kind of MCQs the institute can ask. Institute has not yet released the MCQ material, but we have tried to make a comprehensive coverage of MCQs in our class by taking questions from many reference books and other material. So I am sure these MCQs will be very useful for students appearing for May 24, November 24 and onwards exam. So do not miss. Join our YouTube channel AS Foundation and also subscribe to this channel. Also share with your friends, they will also be benefited. If you want to join the batch right now, the live streaming batch is going on, the face-to-face batch is going on. You can join right now. If you missed any portion, we can provide you the backup for that also. Plus we give 100% backup for all the live streaming and face-to-face classes. So thank you very much. See you on YouTube for MCQs. Thank you.